David Adeleke, with the stage name Davido, recently performed at a burial ceremony in Anambra State, alongside artists like Pino, Flavor, and Zlatan Ibile, dressed in all white. The DNW label boss, who has shielded away from online dramas to enjoy time with his family, showed the guests at the event in his usual style with his ease, including his debut song, Omo Babo Lowo. It's worth noting that the event was organized for the mother of Zenko Communications. The clip showed a man making dollars rain on Davido while the singer's bestie, Cubana Chief Priest, who was recently involved in an exchange with Burna Boy, was also spotted in the video. Recall that Chief Priest and Burna Boy's social media fight saw the music star gifting the celebrity barman's alleged brother 50 million naira. Aside from Davido, notable attendees include Cubana Chief Priest, Obi Cubana, and Joey Zaza. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more real-time entertainment news stories.